In this video, I am sharing my interesting method of filling my brows with you guys. This method is natural, doesn't damage your skin or brows, and it gives such a nice shade to your brows and fills it perfectly. The best part is that it covers all the gray hair and it stays up to 10 days. You can even style the brows while you're dyeing them without needing any brow pencil, any brow gel, any brow hair dye or microblading. You may not believe it, but this is also the most economic and less expensive methods of dyeing your brows. As you can see, my brows naturally has empty patches in between, and I don't like my natural color of my brows much, so we are going to style it and make it nicer. To start, brush the brows lightly and then using a brow thread or a normal thread, shape the style you like on your brows by slightly pressing the thread on your skin. Then using a white makeup pencil, draw on the marks that the thread has left around your brows. Using the henna cone, which I will tell you where to get the best quality ones, we are going to fill the shape we drew earlier. Using a magnifying mirror, start shaping inside the shape that you drew. I understand that all the henna in the cone is not going to be used at once, so don't worry, you don't have to throw it away or buy the new one each time you want to color your brows. You can easily keep this henna cone in the fridge after each use, and it stays fresh and perfectly fine for the next time use. Just cover the tip using a sellotape to avoid drying up. You can keep this henna cone up to 2 months in the fridge and nothing will happen to it. Now you can see how economic this is. Once you filled all the brows, let it stay until all the surface of henna dries up. It will take maximum of 1 hour. Once henna is fully dried, using a wet cotton pad, gently remove the henna and you can see the new style of your brows. I have linked the best quality henna cones for brows at the description box of the video as well as the first comment.